We have a lot of young engineers who were interested in just trying to build stuff, and we formed a robotics team.
We just need to add something on there.
I teach the Project Lead the Way classes here, and I am the coach of the team. This year, just being our pilot year and our rookie year, I kind of handpicked the students that were in it, and we just picked the ones that we thought would show the most interest in some robotics, that could do programming with the computer systems, and just showed a really good imagination.
Step back.
And it's named Charlie because our theme is Willy Wonka.
Our team name is Pure Imagination.
We currently have 6 middle school students and 1 high school student. Our high school student, he's our programmer, and he has learned to completely write the coding for our robot from scratch. He sits with his computer, he types it all in, transfers it to the cell phones that run the robot. Now, our middle school students, the 6 that we have now, they knew nothing about robotics when they got started, and they are pretty much self-taught. Anything they haven't known how to do, we've gotten some people from other teams to help us through Google chatting and teleconferencing with them. We've had some people from Ole Miss have come down and helped us a little bit, but they are completely hands-on, self-taught with the robot. And they've done a real good job with it, building him and changing him. They love to take him apart and rebuild him over and over and over again until they finally get just what they want him to do. Materials that the robotics club used to build our robot, and that is what is used in the robotics class that will be taught here at the middle school next year. They have to design and plan out how the robot is going to work, how they're wiring it, the gear ratios, the speeds of the different components, and that will translate directly into being able to use it with the competitive robot.
It's always a loose connection.
And what we actually are getting to go to now is the World Championships. So 127 teams from around the world will be at our competition that we compete in Houston. We ended up 2nd place at our regionals, which qualified us to go to state. We ended up 4th place at state. And we thought our season was over. You can submit 1 entry to try to get yourself into World. And there's over 12,000 teams in the world. And I said, we were the Cinderella story. We got randomly selected to get to go ahead and compete in Worlds. We get to step in and see what we can do against the best of the best. The robotics team did go to Houston to compete in the World Championships. Just in our area where we were set up with our robot, our neighbors were from Australia. We had 2 teams from Canada, a team from Lebanon, and a Chinese team, a Russian team, and a Japanese team just in our area. For a rookie team, we were proud of how we ended up. We didn't win, but we didn't come in last. We've been told that as a rookie team to get to go to Worlds, that is just a massive thing that doesn't normally get to happen. So they were all real happy and real pleased, and I thought they did a great job. Since we've gotten back, they've completely redesigned the robot. They have a brand new energy, and they have already planned out what they want to do for next year, club-wise, who's doing what jobs and all. They've sat down, they focused, and just since we started, that club has really improved, and they've grown, and they've become a true team.